Okay, guys, you wanted a speed test. Let's do it. Let's see how fast this inflates. All right, let's hook this up. Now, let's check this. Let's check this tire pressure here. Let's take this cap off. All right, let's see what this is. I've got 39.6. So I've got 39.6. I don't know. Can you read that? God, the focus is really bugging me. There we go. So we got 39.6 PSI right now. Okay. Okay, so I hooked this up. Let's just do it for 3 minutes. Okay. And I've got 12:59 and 30 seconds right now. So let's do it for 3 minutes. See how fast it goes. So I'm sure you can hear it. So 102 in like 30 seconds. We'll check the tire pressure. Now we're only doing this for 3 minutes. I'm going to check it with the digital gauge. So we were like at 39.2 to 39.6. I think 39.6 every time I checked it was about where it was. And we'll check it this time. Okay, 1 more minute. "40 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. All right, let's go ahead and cut this compressor off and check it out. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew this real fast. Don't want to let too much out. I'll make sure this is on. Okay. Holy moly. Wow. Okay, it's reading 69.1 PSI. 3 minutes. There it is. 67. I let a little air out, but that's in 3 minutes. It pumped it up from 39 to 67. That's fast. I mean, holy cow, that's really fast. 3 minutes. What a cool aircraft. Well, folks, I hope you liked that little speed test. I had to use this digital gauge because I just wanted it to be really down to the little increment of PSI. Trying to do this real fast before the star airplane flies over again. Anyhow, you can see it's like 10 to 12 PSI a minute. That's pretty fast. So, you know, if you have to pump something up, it's going to do it really quick. So that just shows you the power behind this Tozalazz air compressor, off-road air compressor. It'll definitely pump up your off-road tires in just like, you know, minutes. So this is great. I've never seen one this powerful before. So I wanted to share this speed test with you. Somebody reached out and asked, and there you go. This is very powerful. I'm just amazed how quick it did it. So, anyways, hope you liked it. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'd really appreciate it. And ask questions. Just comment below and ask some questions. That'd be great. And I will see you next time. See ya.